www.gibsonTruckWorld.com 2006 Ford F-250 Lariat Crew Cab Long Bed FX4 Power Stroke Diesel 4-wheel drive with 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Off-road package, adjustable pedals, dual power leather seating, CD player, sliding rear window, wood grain interior trim, keyless entry touchpad and code, alarm, running boards, bed liner, towing package, PW, PDL, and PM. This rugged truck packs more than just muscle and towing capability. The F-Series is a way of life. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of trucks. Engine performance diagnostics tests, EGR,